Hello and welcome to my second video for the Tamiya CC-01 chassis. In this video I will show you two of the, in my opinion, most important upgrades you can do on your CC-01. Those upgrades will significantly improve the overall performance of the car compared to the stock kit form. But first, let's have a look at some minor upgrades you can do yourself that cost little money and expect little effort. The push rod between the servo horn and the steering arm was quite loose from the beginning, and therefore steering was soft and wobbly. To eliminate some of the play that the steering had, I made a push rod by my own. This is something you can easily do at home and just need some Traxxas rod ends and M4 threaded rod from the hardware store. To give the rig more stability in the rear, I replaced the plastic trailing arms with aluminum links, which I made myself the same way as I did the steering rod. The only difference is that I added a 6mm aluminum pipe. Underneath is the same M4 threaded rod. So now I have a strong and even surface to glide over rocks, and the suspension is more stable. This is important when we come to the first major upgrade next. As you have seen in my previous review video, I was not impressed with the articulation of the car. It was not bad, but there was definitely room to improve. To remedy this, Tamiya offers stroke extension links that are placed between the top of the shocks and the chassis for a much longer stroke from the damper. Way better articulation now. Tamiya supplies a set of barrel springs which can improve the scale movement of the car, but to be honest with you, I cannot see so much difference to the stock shock springs. Those are the softest springs in the set and they still feel too stiff. So this is an upgrade I think you must not do in the first place. Now we come to the most important performance upgrade, the tires. The stock tires look scale, but the rubber is too hard for off-road applications. On road it was okay, but there was literally no grip on rocks and loose terrain. So I opted to go for a set of new wheels and tires. Those are the RC 4-wheel drive stamped steel wheels and RC 4-wheel drive Goodyear Wrangler 1.55 scale tires. They are from a very soft compound and grip much better off-road. Still hangs on every route. Stroke extensions do the performance is definitely improved. But does that look scale to you? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Not possible with stock tires. This is a really steep hill. This is the ultimate climbing test. Very loose terrain and extremely steep. I am at the limit of the capabilities of the rig in this form, I guess. I hope you like this upgrade video. If you do, let me know in the comment section and feel free to like, and if you want to see similar videos like this, also subscribe. Thank you for watching.